In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best steam ovens in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. Tavala steam oven is one that has steam, convection, baking and broiling cooking options. It comes with packaged meals that have a barcode you can simply scan to load the perfect cooking presets. However, you can also cook your food the standard way, introducing the Tavala Generation 2 Smart Steam Oven. This digital smart oven is exactly that. It can load multiple presets via wireless from the cloud, making a great meal within minutes. This is perfect for those coming home from a hard day of work who might be too tired for the hassle of cooking, yet they still want a healthy, nutritious meal. The Tavala lets you cook food up to 500 degrees, with a maximum timer limit of 2 hours and 45 minutes. The inner chamber is 0.84 cubic feet, but make no mistake, it can cook most of the foods that a traditional oven can, but a lot healthier. Number 4. Now we move on to a steamer that has been described as a very steady performer by many reviewers, with a steam machine that cooks rice, donuts, and cuts of fish with the same level of efficiency. The versatility of this petite oven is definitely what sets it out against all the competition. Introducing the Cuisinart Steam and Convection Oven. By just pulling out the cooking reservoir, unscrewing the cap, and filling with regular tap water, the Cuisinart unit will be ready to cook with steam in mere minutes. It has 4 steam modes that can be customized with a digital interface. You can steam bake, steam broil, regular steam or super steam, which is great for cooking rice. Whether you want to tackle roast chicken, steaks, veggies or even more ambitious foods such as clam bakes, this cooker can adapt to many different cooking situations. In fact, when it comes to tricky dishes such as plain rice, this steamer has no issues. You can cook quite a sizable portion of rice in around 30 to 35 minutes on the super steam setting. If you fancy steaming meats, you can even add wine or stock cubes in water to infuse the flavor directly into your food, in the most healthy manner imaginable. Number 3. The Bermuda K01MGW Steam Oven Toaster uses steam technology, heat control, and 5 different modes to bring out the best in any kind of bread. Heating more rapidly than air, a thin layer of steam envelopes the bread, lightly toasting its surface while keeping all moisture trapped on the inside. With precise control over 3 temperature zones that can deliver an assortment of subtle flavors and textures, including crisp and savory on the surface with moist and fluffy inside. Find your favorite recipe for artisan bread mode or sandwich loaf mode. Use this product's variety of available modes to bake perfect pastries as well as deliciously crispy pizzas. With precision controls for 3 temperature zones, you can create any kind of food crisp on the outside and moist on the inside. Escape to perfection with our artisan bread mode, sandwich bread mode, pizza mode, and pastry modes, just to name a few. Unleash your creativity with this revolutionary appliance that will make cooking a cinch. Number 2. Their best product is an extremely reliable and versatile countertop oven that allows you to perform a massive array of cooking tasks from steaming to toasting to even fermentation. A very popular choice on Amazon, this one comes very highly rated. It's the FLumileen Steam Convection Oven. The first thing that strikes people about this oven is the size and the sheer range of options. This sleek black countertop cooker is perfect for families looking for a healthier diet. You can fit up to 5 steaks, 9 slices of bread or an 18-pound turkey, and steam them for either a quick snack or a healthy centerpiece for a 3-course meal. You can set this oven to steam, high-temperature steam, grill, convection oven or a combination of all of the above. You can even ferment yogurt in the FLumileen. You can also set it to sterilize if you want to remove any pesky microbes from your dinner before cooking it properly. It also comes with a preheat and defrost setting. The heat is circulated a lot faster than most ovens, which means faster cooking times, which is perfect if you have a busy schedule. It also has a triple-plated glass cover, which makes the outer shell safe to touch whilst in use. You can also activate a child lock, which will prevent children from opening the door and burning themselves. Again, another advantage this product has over conventional ovens. This cooker retains a large amount of heat, enabling the speed and thoroughness of its cooking, although it does exhaust cool air from a top front panel, which will mean that your inner steam cabinet will not suffer from steam damage. Number 1. Cuisinart's Convection Steam Oven is the perfect kitchen appliance for small to medium families and cooks like an oven, steam cooker, air frying, food dehydrator, and microwave. With 120 minutes of continual steam flow, or up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit on any cooking surface, you can be sure your meal will come out perfectly cooked through and through. The integrated bread proofing technology in the Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven bakes and proofs bread better than steam conventional ovens, while eliminating any crust formations. This unit accommodates whole chickens or 12-inch pizza pies, with its 0.6 cubic ft space capabilities, so you can easily bake chicken wings, hot dogs, muffins, calzones all at once. The oven includes versatile steam technology as opposed to microwaves, which heat from below, loosening even crudest pretzel crisps onto one side with blasts of artificial moisture, while turning others into starchy cement on the surface that refuses to break away no matter how long they cook. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.